The Aston Martin Volante vision concept represents a leap in personal aerial mobility. This futuristic plane, a collaboration between Aston Martin, Cranfield Aerospace Solutions, Cranfield University, and Rolls-Royce, showcases innovative design and technology. Capable of vertical takeoff and landing, it promises efficient, rapid, and congestion-free travel. This hybrid electric vehicle is designed for urban and intercity air travel and integrates advanced aeronautical, electrical, and autonomous technologies. Comfortably seating 3 adults, the Volante vision concept aims to revolutionize transportation. Developed by top-tier aerospace engineers, propulsion experts, and designers, it offers a compelling alternative for global consumers seeking advanced mobility solutions. Merging advanced technology with eco-friendly transportation, the CycloTech CruiseUp is a game-changer in urban mobility. Designed for modern commuters, this compact electric-assisted bicycle prioritizes functionality, efficiency, and environmental sustainability. Its unique SE drive technology, utilizing a gyroscopic mechanism, ensures exceptional stability and maneuverability, even on crowded city streets. Constructed from high-grade aluminum, the lightweight frame offers durability without compromising portability. The powerful yet silent electric motor provides smooth pedal assistance, enabling riders to effortlessly tackle hills and cover long distances. The CruiseUp's innovative design and cutting-edge features make it an ideal choice for those seeking a practical and sustainable urban transportation solution. The ENGWE M20 Ebike stands out for its blend of style and practicality. Featuring dual LED headlights, it excels in illuminating nighttime rides. The bike's utility is further boosted by its horn, integrated lights, and fenders. Powered by a 750-watt brushless motor, it offers a 75-kilometer range on a single battery, with the option to add a second battery for extended rides. Weighing around 35 kilograms with a fixed height seat, it may not suit all riders. While it handles mild off-road terrain, its hill climbing ability is limited. Priced at $1,299 for the single battery version, the ENGWE M20 offers a balanced mix of affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for both daily commutes and off-road adventures. Honda's extended reality mobility experience combines the thrill of movement with the immersive world of virtual reality through the innovative Honda UNI-ONE. This hands-free personal mobility device allows users to navigate in any direction by simply shifting their center of gravity. Unveiled at XSSW 2024, this unique attraction let visitors ride the UNI-ONE while fully immersed in virtual worlds. Equipped with advanced sensors and self-balancing technology, the UNI-ONE seamlessly adapts to the user's posture, whether standing or sitting. The adjustable seat height enhances comfort and interaction. Driven by Honda's Omni-Traction drive system, the UNI-ONE provides smooth, multi-directional movement, embodying Honda's commitment to making mobility fun and accessible. Teens and adults can enjoy rugged terrain with the Kuberg Ranger, a uniquely designed electric dirt bike scooter. Personalize it with a trailer and a reclining pneumatic seat. The Ranger offers a range of up to 60 miles in environment mode and about 19 miles at full speed, powered by its 14-kilowatt motor. Its low center of gravity enhances stability, making it suitable for riders of all skill levels. Notable features include a custom controller, unique battery, and exclusive motor technology. The Ranger is exceptionally quiet, offers instant torque, and is lightweight. Its adaptability and sturdiness allow for various attachments, ensuring you are prepared for any trip. Whether you are seeking adventure, a leisurely cruise, or a triumphant ride, the Kuberg Ranger promises a distinctive riding experience. For city dwellers prioritizing form and function, the Kwiggle folding bike is a remarkable innovation. Made in Germany, it boasts the title of the world's smallest folding bike with a folded size of 55 by 40 by 25 centimeters, perfect for hand luggage. weighing only 9 to 10 kilograms, it is easy to handle or pull along like a trolley. The Kwiggle's value and uniqueness are reflected in its pricing, starting at $1,421 for select models. This price tag justifies the bike's high-tech folding mechanism, premium materials, and meticulous assembly, allowing it to maintain a compact footprint while remaining lightweight. Ideal for those seeking a durable, easily transportable, and enjoyable ride, the Kwiggle folding bike offers a unique blend of portability and performance. Since 1990, Rewaco Trikes have been renowned for their cutting-edge style and superior engineering. Made in Germany, these trikes offer a unique blend of style and performance. Rewaco spent 30 years perfecting their designs before releasing the POWAR 3 GT. The RF1 GT model combines sleek aesthetics with sporty driving and can be customized with various equipment options. The RF1 ST, available in 2- and 3-seater configurations, provides ample storage space. Powered by a 1.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, these trikes deliver horsepower ranging from 110 to 177. Prices start at approximately $39,213 for the base model and can reach up to $45,947 for top models like the POWAR 3 GT. The high pricing reflects Rewaco's commitment to producing high-quality trikes. Modern mobility aids like the WHILL Model F prioritize personal autonomy and stylish transportation. This lightweight, foldable device is the perfect travel companion, offering easy maneuverability with a 780mm turning radius for navigating congested airports and narrow spaces. Beyond portability, it seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle. The Model F can traverse obstacles up to 35mm and has a maximum driving range of 20 kilometers. Its app-enabled intelligence allows for remote control and adjustable speeds. Safety is paramount, with the Model F capable of securely navigating slopes up to 10 degrees. Airline approved and lightweight, it is both convenient and reliable. The arm covers are available in 5 different color options, ensuring a personalized touch to your mobility experience.
Keep on